Hello everyone, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well guys, today this is the video we are going to create a sixth video of our Toni Mahfud photo reading series inspired by Toni Mahfud, right? So here first of all you have to click this kind of photo in black or white outfits at your terrace. You are just in a creative unique poses just like Toni Mahfud does, and make sure to click the photo at sunset or sunrise, right? That is very important because we have to get that light effect from any of the side of the photo, which will make our photo a kind of unique. If you will notice, then most of the Toni Mahfud's photo are kind of very backlighted photos, so we have to create that kind of, in order to create that kind of light effect to your photo, you have to capture the photo at dusk or dawn. Now first of all we'll select the photo with the help of quick selection tool, or you can use also pen tool to select very precisely. I have already made a cutout of this video or the photo, sorry. Now if you want to select the hairs, then just right click on it and select and mask option. If you are using Photoshop CC, you will find this option, or if you are using Photoshop CS6, then you will find refine and edge tool, right? Now just roll on the edges of the model just like this way, so you will get the perfect hair selection automatically. And make sure you have selected the second brush, refine edge brush tool. Now just hit OK and you are done. Your output would be of selection done. Now just right click on it and select layer copy to make a duplication of the selection which you have made. So as you can see, I have already made a selection. Now the next thing we are going to do is adding the background to the photograph. So just first of all, we'll crop the photo for our Instagram ratio, that is 8:10 ratio. So select 8:10 or 4:5 ratio from here, and we're gonna just increase the size of the canvas. So let's just increase the size from any of the one of the corner. Now we're gonna just place this in the center, and now you are done, right? Now we are going to add a background to the photograph. So just go to the file, you click on open and just browse this background. You can just download this background from the links in the description, guys. Now we're gonna just drag it and drop over here, go to the edit and select the free transform and just decrease the size of this perspective just like this way. So now as you can see, we have perfectly added this background to the photograph, which is making a perfect kind of effect to the photograph. Now here you can see it is not actually merging with the background, so all you need to do is first of all we'll make a darker on the photo. So just press Ctrl L from the keyboard, that is levels, on the model layer, and we can just remove the hairs. As you can see, I am just moving the slider, your photo is becoming more darker and getting a merge with the background. That is very important, guys. So as you can see, I can also do more darkness from here. Now you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen with the simple technique of doing leveling to the photograph, right? Now here we don't have to do much editing. Now just merge both the layers, just right click on it and select merge layers, and we are going to add a filter to the photograph. So just go to the filter. First of all we'll crop the photo. Let's select the crop tool and just hit enter and you are done. Just go to the filter, select the camera filter from there. And now here one more important thing is, guys, before doing this process, now press Ctrl Z, again do the Z. Now here it is very important to do, that is of blurring the edges. Yes, we have forgotten to do this process. Select the blur tool and make sure you have selected the soft round brush, and just blur the edges of the model so that it will blend with the background and it will look more kind of realistic. No one will be able to identify whether where this photo is cut out or a real location photo. That is the key point of our editing, guys. We have to maintain the originalism. In order to maintain the originalism of the cutout, you have to do the blurring process on the edges of the models. So just do it on whole image just like this way as shown. So finally guys, we have done our process of blurring the edges so that it will be able to merge it with the background to make a photo more realistic look. So now the next thing we are going to apply one more preset, that is Johnny Adeline inspired. That one actually I am very much liking it, so I'm gonna just apply that preset. So just go to the filter and select the camera filter, and we're gonna just apply the preset to the photograph. So just directly apply the preset, that is Johnny Adeline inspired preset. Let's apply that preset. Here is that preset. Yes, as you can see, this preset is looking kind of very amazing guys. This is totally looking perfect. So let's just go to the black and add more black to the photo. Let's add a vignette to the photograph, just a bit, or just keep it as 0. We're gonna just apply it on this portion. First of all, here we're gonna just go to the hue and saturation, and we're gonna just reduce the orange tone saturation a bit from the face, and increase the saturation of the luminescence so that it may look kind of brighten up. Now this one is looking freaking amazing guys. Yeah, that is one more thing, is to add a grainy texture to the photograph. Yes, this is very important thing. So in order to add, just go to the effects, and we're gonna just add a grainy texture to around 25 would be pretty perfect. If you'll notice, then most of the photos of Toni Mahfud are with textures. We're gonna add this texture to the photograph and just hit OK, and you are done guys. As you can see, this one is looking kind of very amazing. Let's do one more duplication of the image, and just go to the filter, select again the camera filter, and here we are going to do again the previous conversation. Just click on the 3 dots over here and select the previous conversation, and from here we are going to add a vignette to the photograph. So just add a vignette effect and just hit OK. Now I just want vignette over this portion, so just add a layer mask, press Ctrl I to inverse this effect, select the brush tool, select the white color on the foreground, and we're gonna just erase it. Just decrease the opacity of the brush to around 70%, and we're gonna just paint it just like this way. So this will create a kind of vignette effect on the top of all the layers, which is making your photo kind of cool. So as you can see the difference, here is the before and here is the after. Let's decrease some of the opacity of this layer to around 80%, and just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. Now let's create a new layer. Select the brush tool, and we're gonna just select the whitish color over here, or let's just select the golden tone, creamy golden tone, and just give a one stroke of that. First of all, we're gonna just increase the opacity of the brush to 100%, change the blending mode to screen, press Ctrl T, and we're gonna just place this somewhere on this portion so that it may look kind of more impressive, so that the whole rays of the sun are totally coming from this portion, so it will look like that, which is very much amazing. Now again, let's just fill this layer with the black color. Create a new layer filled with the black color. Go to the filter, select the render, and here we're gonna just select the lens flare and we're gonna just place this somewhere on this position. You can try any of the lens flare over here. You can still increase or decrease the lightness. And just hit OK. Now change the blending mode to screen and you can see the difference. This will also create an amazing look if you want. Otherwise just keep it as it is. Now as you can see, this we have created a perfect effect which is making your photo an amazing kind of look to the photo, which is really looking perfect, I guess. Now just merge both the layers, right click on it and select merge layers, and here you are done, guys. The photo editing has been completed. So as you can see, the difference here is the before and here is the after. Now the next thing, guys, it is one more important thing is to add a dodge and burn layer, right? So just press Ctrl J and here we are gonna name as a dodge. Change the blending mode to screen. Just double click on it or right click on it and select blending options. Press Alt key from here, so it will open up one more slider. Just move that over here just like this way. And just hit OK. Press Ctrl J to duplicate one more. Now we're gonna just name it as a burn. Change the multiply blending mode to multiply. Right click on it and select blending options. Now here move the slider from right to left. We're gonna just create a perfect darkish shadow effect to the photo. And just hit OK. Now just make a group of both the layers by pressing Ctrl J, Ctrl G. Add a layer mask on this, select go to the image, select the apply image. Now go to the layer 1. That is our original layer, and just hit OK and you are done. So as you can see, this one is really making a huge impact to the photo. Now I just want this effect on only the skin area. So what I'm gonna do is select the brush tool and select the black color, and I'm gonna just erase it from the area where I don't want that effect. So with the help of brush tool, just erase that portion. So from the rest of whole image I'm gonna just delete it, because I just want on the skin area and also on the face. So as you can see, it is only been affected on the face region. This gives a glittery shining to the photo, which will make your photo kind of impressive, guys. So it is very much important to add this kind of dodging and burning to the photo. Now we will just remove some of the blemishes or spots if you have on the skin with the help of spot removal brush. So as you can see, we have done our process. Now it's been completed. Now just merge both the layers. Again select the crop tool and just hit enter. So guys, here we have completed our process, just doing editing just like Toni Mahfud. And here is the before and here is the after. A huge difference can be seen in the skin or the facial skin. A texture kind of grainy just like Toni Mahfud, which is really making a perfect example photo for your photo editing theme just like Toni Mahfud. So guys, I hope you will have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just press the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you're gonna find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, lots and many more cool stuff just like this for you guys for free. and if you still not subscribed yet, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. And guys, don't forget to visit my second website, that is fieldwebsite.com, and also follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching, and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, don't forget to be creative and be awesome.